It is your boy Will. Welcome back to the Skinny Survivor channel, the best place for skinny guys to gain their first 30 pounds of muscle and go from the scrawny guy to the brawny guy as fast as possible. So in today's video, I'm going to be running you through the perfect ab workout routine that you can do at home to build a bigger midsection as a skinny guy. Now, before we get into today's video, make sure to subscribe to the channel right now. If you're a skinny guy looking to bulk up as fast as possible, maybe you want tips and tricks on how to bulk up, mass gain meal plans, workouts, recipes, we've got it all here on this channel for skinny guys. So make sure to subscribe right now. And if you've been following me for a while now, make sure after this video to click the first link in my description and go get yourself a free bulking meal plan and workout to get started on your weight gain journey in the next 30 days. So basically how today's workout works is I'm going to show you 6 perfect exercises that you can do for your abs to build your upper abs, middle abs, and lower abs, okay? And we're going to build more thickness into your abs so you can build a midsection that you can be proud of to show off at the beach and attract tons of girls and also get respect from the guys. So basically we're going to go with 3 sets per ab exercise, and we're going to do something called AMRAP. And AMRAP simply means as many reps as possible, and we're going to do that for 45-second rounds. We're going to totally exhaust the ab midsection, and we're going to make sure that we go to fatigue so we train them properly and they can grow bigger. So without further ado, let's get straight into today's ab workout. Thanks for watching again. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. Also, check out the videos on the screen here to watch next. That's it for this video, my skinny survivors. I'll see you in the next one.